In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join meeting in Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter your meeting smoothly and on time. Start by opening Calendly and signing into your account. From the homepage, look for the area where you manage your events. You'll see a section labeled Meetings. This is where all of your upcoming and past events live, so click into it to view what's scheduled. If you have a lot of events, make sure you're on the upcoming view and quickly confirm your time zone so the start time matches your local clock. Next, find the meeting you want to join and open its details. The details page is your command center for that specific event. Here you'll see the date and time, the attendees, and most importantly, how you'll connect. This is where you'll verify the exact platform the host set for the meeting. Look under location to see the meeting platform. Calendly will show you whether it's Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or another service. If it's a video call, you'll see a meeting link or button right here. Take a second to confirm you have the right app or an updated browser for that platform. It's also a good moment to check that your microphone and camera permissions are allowed in your browser settings, especially if you haven't used that platform recently. When you're ready, click Join Now in Calendly. This opens the meeting in a new tab or window. If a new tab doesn't appear, check for a pop-up blocker and allow Calendly to open links. Joining a minute or two early is a smart habit, giving you time to test your audio and camera without keeping anyone waiting. On the meeting platforms page, you'll usually see a preview screen. Use this to choose your microphone and camera, blur your background if needed, and mute before you enter if the call is already in progress. Then click Join Now again to enter the meeting room. Depending on the platform and the host's settings, you may be placed in a lobby until the organizer lets you in. That's normal, just hang tight. If you ever run into issues, you can return to the Calendly details page and copy the meeting link to paste directly into your browser. You can also use the link in your calendar invite, which mirrors the same Join Now pathway. That's it. Open Calendly, go to Meetings, open the event details, confirm the location, click Join Now in Calendly, and then click Join Now on the meeting platform to get started.